So the BEST project aims to support local employers to grow by taking on unemployed people across the Bridgend borough. It's not about subsidised employment, it's more about supporting the individual to grow and upskill within the workplace. The customer has the opportunity to try the workplace, and the employer has the opportunity to test the potential candidate within the workplace before taking them on. There has to be a live vacancy. If they then decide to take them on and give them an opportunity, there's a training fund of up to £1,000 per candidate, and that's for pre-employment training, but also in-work support training.
It's a great opportunity. So the fact that they'll help funds towards training to bring that person in, that's a real big help.
So it's aimed at long-term unemployed, economically inactive, most importantly people with health conditions and disabilities.
Because we do need more staff desperately at the moment. We're very, very open to the project, definitely, because we had so much success in the past.
If you're an employer or a potential employee, please get in touch by the mailbox.